and welcome to Early Bird Gets the Worm. I'm Shelly Tinselmeyer, your host. Our first guest today will be a lovely contestant I'd like to call Love Elwoods Creditcard. Please welcome her. Oh, over here, love.
Oh.
Love.
Oh.
Over here. Sweetheart, sit.
Oh.
Hello. How are you doing today, love? Or would you like to be called Miss Creditcard?
I love shopping.
Oh, isn't she a character?
I just love dogs.
I'll take it that you want to be called Love. So, how is life, Love?
I love animals.
Oh.
Peace is amazing.
Now, what is your dog's name?
Oh. Love.
Honey, you don't seem to be hearing me. What's your dog's name?
Love.
Your dog's name is Love.
Love.
I thought it was... Oh. Could we have a... Never mind. I thought his name was Peanut.
I love peanuts.
Oh, dearie. Let's move on to another subject. What's your favorite store?
Peanut.
Okay. Thank you. Now I see that your lips have grown.
Ooh. Yes, they have. Ooh.
The camera's
Anyways.
over here, honey. Have you got another lip job?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
I got it done from Dr. Bernsteiner.
He's a great doctor, isn't he?
Yes.
That's right. Anyway, how's your love life, Miss Elwoods?
I'm love.
How's your love life, love?
Love is great.
Oh, do you have a special someone?
When you find the right person, it will feel like you two are the only two in the world.
Oh, sweetheart.
Oh.
I know what you mean. Now, what's your special love's name?
I love organic food.
Oh, thank you for telling us.
Tofu. So good.
Now, what's your daily beauty regimen consist of?
Well, I like to tell young kids that every day they should always, always, always start with a smile.
Oh, that is excellent advice. Let's end it with that.
Oh, and you add a little cream on the face and make yourself look pretty.
Oh, that's wonderful. Give a hand for Miss Elwoods.
Oh,
Thank you.
and
Thank you, darling.
Bye.
We all love you. Goodbye now. Remember, always eat your vegetables.